Hi, I'm Nancy. Today is 5/27/2010, and I'm going to be starting the detox class, or detox, on Saturday. So I wanted to give you my information. I'm not proud of this, my weight. I'd rather not say. But it's 188.5. It's the most I've ever weighed. My percent body fat, 40.6. BMI, 30.9. Blood pressure, 169/95. And my beats per minute is 75. My cholesterol, 249. I feel worse now than I have in a long time. I have no energy. My numbers are way off. I've gained a lot of weight. I really need to change my life and my eating habits. So I'm doing this because it's time. And I want to find out, I think I'm having allergic reactions to something. I don't know what. Hopefully that's what's causing my weight gain. Probably portion control, but I need to change all that. And I know that this is going to help. So I'm looking forward to the final numbers being down. Yes! So we will talk to you every day and let you know how I'm doing. I expect to be doing great. So the only thing I'm not looking for is to giving up all the things that I love, which is sugar. Obviously that's not good for me, and I want to change that. I realize now that I'm addicted to it. So things have got to change in order for this all to work. So I'm committed. Thank you. I'm finishing today week 1 of the detox. Great news! I've lost 6 pounds already. Yay! As I mentioned before, last week it was the most I've ever weighed. I'm down now to where prior to that it was the most. I'm at 182. That's still more than I've ever weighed before. So I'm losing. I will need to go a lot further than that. But I'm in the right direction, and I'm excited about that. Haven't been hungry. I feel much better than I did. I was very sluggish before. I was tired a lot. Today I'm a little tired, but that's only because my dog was sick last night and woke me up several times, so I didn't get my 8 hours of sleep. But overall, considering that, I still have lots of energy. So I'm real happy with that way I'm feeling in that respect. I mentioned last week that I'm concerned about some allergies. I had some mouth allergies. Don't know what's causing it. That has diminished dramatically. I am still having, in another area, I have something, I think probably it's detoxing, but it's not bothering me at all. It just feels, my mouth feels a little different in that area. Not bad. It feels better today, so it's obviously improving. And I'm happy with the progress. One thing I've noticed, I'm less hungry if I eat the lentil and rice for lunch than if I eat it later in the day. It seems to fill me up more. I've only been doing 2 shakes a day. I don't need more. I've been full with the shakes. I tried the recipe for spaghetti squash and marinara. It was delicious. I had it last night for dinner, so that was good. I'm being a little bit more adventuresome with my recipes, which is probably very good. And my portion control has improved a lot too. So I'm drinking a lot of water, and that hasn't been a problem at all. And almost like my body craves it. So within a week's time, I'm seeing dramatic improvement. Yay! Good afternoon. Today is day 13 of my cleanse. Good news, I've lost another 2 pounds, so I'm up to 8.5 pounds already. Woohoo! My body mass is down 1.4, so that's good. The body fat stayed the same. Not great, but it is what it is. This week has been tough. And mainly because I haven't been getting the sleep. I haven't been getting 8 hours of sleep. My dog's been ill, not sleeping well at all, so that's the bad news. The good news is, although I haven't been sleeping well, at least I have more energy than I would had I not been on the cleanse. Not been on the cleanse and not sleeping well, I would have felt worse during the day. I don't get a slack in my energy level until late, probably 7 or 8 o'clock at night. So the good news is it's helping even in my energy level when I'm not doing well. I haven't been hungry. Everything seems to be going really well. I'm happy with it. I was able to add chicken the other night, and I almost didn't, because I really wasn't craving it. But I did cook a palm-sized piece of chicken breast, and it tasted fine, but I'm not craving meat or chicken or fish. But all's going well. So, see you next week. BMI loss is 2.1%, and my cholesterol was taken 2 days before I finished, and it was down 58 points. So, and my blood pressure today was 124/80, and beats per minute 84. So all across the board I have lost. So I'm very happy with that. I'm not been hungry. I have been exercising. I'm in the Beach Fit now, which has been great. Sleeping hasn't been so great because of other issues, but overall I'm very pleased. I'm going to continue on with the right lifestyle because I'm in it to lose more weight and turn around all my cravings. The good news is I have not craved anything. My sugar craving is zero, none, which is amazing for me. And I think the reason is the Gymnema. I've been taking that every day religiously, so that when I do have sugar, it's not going to be attractive to me, which I'm glad. Other than that, I feel great. I'm on the road. It's just the beginning, but it's a great start. Thanks!
You make me feel so young. You make me feel like spring has sprung. Every time I see you grin, I'm such a happy individual.
The moment that you speak, I wanna run and play.